Almira, how are you? Happy birthday to you. Inshallah, more years. I see you is very big, inshallah.
Happy
Take care.
birthday, Almera. Hope you have more birthdays to come from Lula and Lulu Ismael. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Almera. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy sweet 16th birthday, Melai. I'm wishing you a day filled with joy and a year filled with happiness and positivity as always. Stay pretty, smiling, funny, and cheerful as always. And always slay. I'm hoping to see you real soon and once again, happy sweet 16th birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Milay! Miss you! Happy birthday, Ate Milay! Miss you! Go, Prince! Sabi mo, happy birthday, Ate Milay!
Hi Ate Melay, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang healthy. I miss you, I love you.
Happy birthday. Pretty. Love you. I miss you. Happy birthday, Ate Melay.
Hi Ate Melay, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang healthy. I love you.
Happy birthday to you, Almera. Happy birthday, Almera. Happy birthday. Guli, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Guli, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Almera. Happy Guli, happy birthday to you. Yan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Almira. Yay!
Para saan ni Day? Ay. Hi Melay, happy birthday. Stay pretty and bantay lang ng uyab-uyab ni Mulaya. Ay na kibitan gazod ng kuan mo gazod. So ayun Lay, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana maging mabait ka na dalaga kasi dalaga ka na sa mami mo. Firstborn ka niya kaya enjoy mo lang kung anong meron ka ngayon diyan. And hindi kami makakadalo ng Team Palmas kasi mga busy na kami. So, ayun nga. Happy birthday sa iyo. Mabuhay ka hangga't gusto mo. Stay beautiful, stay simple, stay the same. Bye.
Happy 16th birthday, Lai. Stay pretty and laging makinig kay Mama para sa magandang kinabukasan. We miss you at see you soon dito sa Bulacan.
Yo! Happy 16th birthday Ate Melay. Good girl lang palagi and more blessings to come. Keep safe always. Aral lang mabuti. Love Kuya Matt.
Hi Melay, happy 16th birthday sa iyo. Mag-iingat ka palagi, mag-aaral ka mabuti. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Peace.
Happy birthday Ate Melay. Ganun din. Ingat ka palagi. Good girl lang lagi. Then more blessings to come. Aral lang mabuti. Love you.
Happy 16th birthday, Ate Melay. Greetings from Bulacan. Focus in studies. Always have faith in God. Stay what you are. Then, always makinig ka kay Mami. God bless. Have a blast. Once again, happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Bye. Thank you.
Ay, Lai. Happy 16th birthday sa'yo, Lai. Enjoyin mo lang yung araw mo ngayon, Lai. Tsaka mag-aaral ka mabuti para matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Saka mag-iingat kayo dyan palagi. God bless.
Happy 16th birthday, Lai. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti at stay healthy. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lai. 16 ka na, dalaga ka na. Wish you have more years to celebrate on your birthday. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi Melay, happy birthday, happy 16th birthday, and here's my verses para sa imo in Proverbs 3 verses 1 to 5. Melay, remember my teaching and instructions and obey them completely. They will help you live a long and prosperous life. Let love and loyalty always show like a necklace and write them in your mind. God and people will like you and hold you in high esteem. With all your heart, you must trust the Lord and not your own judgment. Always let Him lead you and He will clear the road for you to follow. So, yan. Happy birthday. See you soon.